Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the geography one-liner questions. That is part 10. Please check my playlist. You will find up to part 9, which are very useful for all competitive examinations. As you can see, whatever has been given. Let us see what we have been given in the initial slide. Which natural sugar is found in the milk? That is, as we are aware that there is something which is, we should remember, in the milk we have slight sugar. That sugar is known as lactose. Whatever the bacterium we have in the milk, that is lactobacillus bacterium, which directly converts from the milk to the curd, that is lactobacillus. Next we have Nepali, Lepcha, Bhutia and Limbu. These are the main spoken languages of which Indian state? That is Sikkim. In the Sikkim, these are the languages which have been spoken. In Manipur, it is Manipuri. And I want you guys to identify what is the official language of Manipur. Please comment me in this section what exactly the official language of Manipur. Next we have on 15th of May 1952, who became the first speaker of the Lok Sabha. We knew that the Lok Sabha had been set up. The maiden speaker of the Lok Sabha in May 1952, in the year 1952, on the 15th of May. That is G.V. Mavlankar was the maiden speaker who had taken over as the speaker of Lok Sabha. Next we have which royal poet of Delhi Sultanate is regarded as the father of Qawwali. We knew that during the Sultanate of Delhi, the Qawwali was very famous. The father of Qawwali was Amir Khusro. He is also known as the parrot of India. So please remember whatever the instruments he had found, that is tabla and sarod, had been found or discovered by the Amir Khusro itself. Next we have in 1976, which Bengali lady novelist became the first woman to receive the Jnanpith Award for her novel, that is Pratham Pritisruti, that means first promise. The book The First Promise or Pratham Pritisruti had been written by Asha Purna Devi. As you can see to the right side, she was from Bengal. So she is the one who had received the Jnanpith Award. This award is given for the best writer. As you can see, the feminist writer of Bengal, she had received that award. Next we have which article of the Indian Constitution gives special status to Jammu and Kashmir. We knew that till now the Jammu and Kashmir was the state. Now it has become the union territory. It has been converted into union territory. Prior we have the 7 union territories. At present we have the 9. Among them 2 has been included. Those are Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. The capital of Ladakh is Leh. The Jammu's capital is Jammu and Srinagar as usual, which was existed before. That special status has been given to the Jammu and Kashmir as per the article 370. Now it is no more exist on the Jammu and Kashmir. Now we have immortalized in the voice of Lata Mangeshkar, Kavi Pradeep's famous patriotic song "Ye Mere Watan Ke Logo." This patriotic song had been sung recently by Lata Mangeshkar. Whatever the lines have been taken from the C. Ramachandra. As you can see, he was set to music by the musician, that is C. Ramachandra. Musician was Ramchandra and the singer was Lata Mangeshkar. Hey Mere Watan Ki Logo, she had sung. Now we have the who coined the French priest Henry Didon. Please remember, French priest Henry Didon have given the motto of Olympics, that is Citius, Altius, Fortius. It means faster, higher, stronger. We can also call it as swifter, higher and stronger. This is what exactly the motto of Olympics. This slogan has been given by the French priest Henry Didon. The tournament, as you can see, Olympic Games, which were held after every 4 years, but in 2020 it was postponed to 2021, which has to be happened in Japan, that is Tokyo. Who was popularly known as the lady with the lamp, that is, as you can see to the right side, she was the one who had served for maximum people, whoever is required she had served with the lamp during the night time. That is the reason she has been called as lady with the lamp. Her name was Florence Nightingale. Falkland Island, located in South Atlantic Ocean, are a self-governing overseas territory of which country? That is United Kingdom. Please remember, guys, the island, that is Falkland Island, located in South Atlantic Ocean, are a self-governing overseas territory of, that is, United Kingdoms. Next we have, I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. More than 800 plus question papers have been given. It's segregated into various playlists. So this is one thing. Next we have to go through what is the minimum age limit to become the governor of the state. We knew that whatever the age for the president of India has to be there, the same age has to be there for governor of respective state. But the governor should not be from the state itself, because that is a rule. He has to be from other state, he can become the governor. Now, as you can see, to become the chief minister, the minimum age has to be 30 years is mandatory. Yakshagana, literally meaning celestial music, is a popular dance drama of which Indian state? That is Karnataka. Please remember, whatever the Yakshagana, this happens in the state of Karnataka. Next, Hirakud Dam at Sambalpur in Orissa, the longest dam in India, that is built across which river? That is Mahanadi. So on the river Mahanadi, that Hirakud Dam at Sambalpur in Orissa, it is located, where you will find the greater dam over here. Among terrestrial animals, which animal has the longest gestation period? That is, for the elephant, it is the longest gestation period you will find in it. For writing the Punjabi language, which Sikh Guru developed the Gurumukhi script? That is Guru Angad. Please remember, guys, Guru Govind Singh is the last 10th Guru. Guru Nanak Dev is the first Guru. You have to remember whatever the sequence. Who has been called as Guru Arjan, he was the fourth, and Guru Ramdas, who had founded the Amritsar, and you have to remember each and everything. The Guru script, whatever the Guru script, Gurumukhi, that has been composed by Guru Angad. Khalsa had been formed by Guru Govind Singh, that is last 10th Sikh Guru. Which among the following disease is caused by female Aedes aegypti mosquitoes? After biting this female Aedes aegypti mosquito, you will have the fever, that is dengue fever. So please remember, typhoid will occur due to the Salmonella typhi bacterium, but not with the mosquitoes. Next we have the main camp. The meaning of the main camp is, that is My Struggle. The book is autobiography of which dictator? That is Adolf Hitler was the one who had written the book Mein Kampf. So his name was Adolf Hitler. Who was the chief guest at the Republic Day celebration on 26 January 2009 in New Delhi? So please remember, guys, this type of questions also you may be asked, but you will be asked current questions. That's not like 2009. You may be asked recent in 2020. Like that, questions will be asked. That time, Kazakhstan president has come. Next we have, in 1916, who founded the Srimati Natibhai Damodar Thakre SNDT? It's a women's university at Pune, the first women's university in India. You will find this women's university in Mumbai. So that is, the founder is Dando Keshav Karve, had founded it in the year 1916. In which African city are the headquarters of United Nations Environment Program located? That is Nairobi. Please remember that Nairobi, which is located in Kenya. The United Nations Environment Program has located in Nairobi. That is very important. Which hormone released when danger threatens is known as emergency hormone? Please remember, when there is a danger, automatically the hormone releases. that is emergency hormone that is released by the adrenaline. This adrenaline hormone is secreted by what? By the adrenal glands. Next we have thyroxine from the thyroid glands, insulin, pancreas. So these are all you have to remember. Melatonin, now you have to answer whatever. Melatonin is secreted by what? You have to answer this and comment me in this section. Kathakali, Mohiniyattam and Tulal dance forms are native of which state? That is native of Kerala. In Kerala you will find Yakshagana, as well as you will find in Karnataka Yakshagana, as well as Bharatanatyam. You tell me what exactly the Kuchipudi, Bharatanatyam, these are all you have to remember. Kuchipudi from Andhra Pradesh, Bharatanatyam, Yakshagana in Karnataka. So please go through whatever has been given. Mohiniyattam, Kathakali in Kerala. Next we have which is the only continent through which all longitude lines passes. That is Antarctica. This is the only continent through which all longitudes lines passes, that is Antarctica. Next we have Vinay Pitaka, Sutta Pitaka and Abhidhamma Pitaka. This is one thing you have to remember. It is collectively known as Tripitakas, 3 baskets. It means that Tripitakas are the sacred text of the religion, that is Buddhism. Vinay Pitaka, Sutta Pitaka and Abhidharma Pitaka. These are the 3 collective known baskets of Tripitakas. Next we have, I just want to tell this regarding the only continent through which all longitude lines passes, that is Antarctic. The reason is it's a pole. Antarctic, there is a pole where maximum you will have the finishing line at the end. Arctic, Antarctic, this is what you have to remember. Next we have in 1997, to which Indian film star did Pakistan government present its highest civilian award, that is Nishan-e-Imtiyaz. This award has been given to Dilip Kumar. Please remember guys, Dilip Kumar has got Nishan-e-Imtiyaz award. Next we have who had received the Nishan-e-Pakistan, that is Morarji Desai had received the award Nishan-e-Pakistan. On 18 March 1965, who became the first human to walk in the space, that is Alexei Leonov is the one who had received who is the first one to human to walk in the space in the 1965. Washington DC, the capital of United States of America, is located on the river bank of Potomac. As you can see to the right side how exactly the Potomac is the river on which the America's capital, that is Washington DC, is located. Which among the following is the first indigenous civilian aircraft of India, that is Saras. That was the one first indigenous civilian aircraft has been built, that is Saras. Next we have near which city is the Salim Ali Center for Ornithology. So who is known as Birdman of India? Salim Ali. Ornithology means study of birds. This Salim Ali Center for Ornithology, as you can see, SACON, and natural history located in which place? That is located in Coimbatore, which is located in Tamil Nadu. And there is a Isha Yoga Center in Coimbatore also, where Sadhguru Jaggi Vasudev's one of the finest constructions you can find over there regarding Lord Shiva. Which Central American country was formerly known as British Honduras? This is one thing you have to remember. The Central American country was formerly known as British Honduras, that is Belize. Belize place is the one which has been called as British Honduras. Next it is, what name has been given to the first Boeing 747 or 700 jet? As you can see to the right side how exactly it looks like. This is the flight, this is the office for the president during the emergencies, inducted into Indian Air Force, designed to work as a president of the India's office in the sky. So this is the one where he goes in a flight and will have the whatever the decisions, that is Rajdoot. Even we have the Air Force One is the flight for the USA. The same manner Rajdoot is the flight for the President of India's office. Regions lying on the western margins of the continents between 30 to 40 degrees north have, that is dry summers as well as wet winters you will find there. Next we have, as a token of protest against Jallianwala Bagh massacre on 13th of April 1919, who returned the knighthood conferred on him by the British government. We knew that Rabindranath Tagore, who was very famous and recipient of Nobel Prize in the field of literature, he had rejected the award knighthood because of the massacre whatever happened, that is on 13th April 1919 in Jallianwala Bagh, which is in, that is Punjab. On 6th April 2009, which Indian cricketer surpasses Australian Mark world record for the most catches in test cricket by a fielder, that is Rahul Dravid had surpassed whatever the Marquard's record. Next we have, what is the retirement age of the High Court judges? Now it has become 65 years, though he has a chance in 62 years. Which apparatus is used to measure the blood pressure? We knew that sphygmomanometer is used in for the blood pressure, hygrometer is humidity, hydrome is density, chronometer that is for the speed, thermometer is for the body temperature. Next we have, which renowned dancer established classical dance school, that is Kalakshetra at Adyar near Chennai in 1931. Rukmini Devi Arundale, she is the one, as you can see to the right side how exactly she looks like. She was renowned dancer, established classical dance school Kalakshetra at Adyar near Chennai in 1931. Next we have Kudremukh Hills, name literally meaning horse face. Please remember Kudremukh Hills, which is name literally meaning as horse face, in Karnataka are famous for mines of which mineral, that is iron ore. Next we have Ghatigon Sanctuary, set up for the conservation of the sun chiriya, great Indian bustard, is located in which state? That is located in Madhya Pradesh, that is Ghatigaon Sanctuary, which is located in Madhya Pradesh. As you can see, for the conservation of sun chiriya, great Indian bustard. As you can see to the right side how exactly it looks like, it is in Madhya Pradesh. The novel Q&A, on which 8 Oscar awards winning film Slumdog Millionaire in 2008 is based, was authored by which Indian civil servant, that is Vikas Swarup had authored this, and that is the one in Slumdog Millionaire 2008 it is based. Next we have, which is the only bird that can fly backward? We knew that hummingbird is the smallest bird and it also can fly backwards. Kingfisher, that is different, which is of different colors, but the hummingbird, you can see to the right side how exactly it can fly backwards also. Chanderi and Maheshwari saris, which are native of which state? That is Madhya Pradesh, where you will find Chanderi and Maheshwari saris. Next we have quinine. We told that it's an anti-malarial drug which is obtained from the bark of the tree Shishona. Next we have Titan, is the only moon for the natural satellite as well as natural satellite for the Saturn, which is beautiful planet, and this is the largest moon of this planet, that is Saturn, Titan, the biggest one for the Titan, that is the biggest one for the Saturn. Which dynasty founded by Mauryan Senapati, that is commander-in-chief, also known as Senapati Pushyamitra, was immediate successor of the Maurya dynasty, that is he had found Shunga dynasty post Mauryan dynasty. This is one thing you have to remember, Senapati Pushyamitra Shunga was the founder of Shunga dynasty. Which coastal city is known as the Queen of the Arabian Sea? That is Kochi is known as the Queen of Arabian Sea, that is located in Kerala. As you can see to the right side how exactly it looks like from the port. On 1st September 1939, attack on which country by Germany marked the start of World War II, that is Poland. This is the one you have to remember. The attack on which country by Germany marked the start of World War II, that is Poland. A day is added when a man crosses the international date line from east to west. This is one thing you have to remember. If he is moving from the east to west, automatically the day is added. Now we have in 1913, at which American city did Lal Hardayal found the Ghadar Party? You can see to the right side, Ghadar Party found by Lala Hardayal in 1913. It has been found in San Francisco. By voter strength, which Indian parliamentary constituency, that is Lok Sabha seat having more than 33 lakh voters, holds the world record of the largest constituency, that is Outer Delhi. So this is one thing you have to remember. By voter strength, which Indian parliamentary constituency, Lok Sabha seat having more than 33 lakh voters, holds the world record of largest constituency, that is Outer Delhi. As well as in Lok Sabha seats maximum we find in Uttar Pradesh, where you will find maximum population in India. So these are the few questions I had compiled, guys. You can directly go through whatever has been given. This is my mobile number 7667302252. If you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS, you can directly call me or you can message me by WhatsApp. I'll send you with no time. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. Have a great life. Keep on succeeding. Keep on finishing all the videos. You will find maximum information in it. Please have the earphones in your ears and keep on listening it. Thank you. Have a great life.